In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a bracelet using the PotterUSA triple anticlastic former in the hydraulic press. So the first thing you need to do is just put the former frame in your press. This is done with magnets, and that's the triple anticlastic forming tool. It works in conjunction with urethane. And I've prepared a sterling silver blank. It's 18 gauge that's been roller printed. And I rounded the ends of the bracelet. And then you're just going to raise and lower the platen as you gently move the bracelet blank along, slowly using the pressure of the press to force the urethane up, and your metal will take the shape of the former. You start on the end of the bracelet and just kind of gently scoot it along, slowly conforming it to the former. Once I get about halfway, I like to take it out and flip it around and start from the other end. So you can see I'm just gently moving it along here, forming it bit by bit. One of the really great things about using these formers in the press is that you can form a bracelet like this that has a roll printed texture on it without marring the texture at all, because the urethane is so gentle. All right, and then if you see any kinks in your piece, you just want to put it back in and go over those areas a second time to kind of smooth everything out. You're making the metal move in two different directions at once. These are compound curves, so not only is it forming a circle around like the wrist, that curve, it's also curving in the opposite direction with those triple anticlastic curves around the top. So this is really complex forming, and we're making it really easy with the press. And it's going to make your metal really, really work hardened, which is great for a bracelet because it'll hold its shape, especially a cuff that's constantly coming on and off the wrist. And that's it. It's super fast. So now I'm just going to add some patina to kind of bring out that texture. I like to use black max. For darkening silver, I find that it gives you a really nice black. And it's an acid, so just make sure you're, using it properly. Rinse it in water, dry it off. And then I really like to use the 3M sanding sponges to remove patina, especially if I don't want a super high shine. So I'm just using this to knock the patina off the high spots. It'll leave it in the recessed areas. And then I'm going to put this in my magnetic pin finisher for just a few minutes to give it a little bit of a polish, and we'll take a look. And this is the finished bracelet.